Here we have the 40-inch Rough Country single row Black Series LED light bar. We made a run of brackets that allow this to be mounted on the 2017 and newer Super Duty bumper without rubbing the grille. These brackets move the light bar forward, allowing clearance, and are powder coated black. These are the factory LED low beams, factory LED high beams, and the 40-inch Rough Country single row light bar. The curve of this light bar matches perfectly with the contour of the front bumper and blends in very nicely. You can head over to our website at infernoutv.com, click on the shop link, and hit our store, and we'll get some of these out to you.